front of me is OnePlus 6T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear, hit voice typing and tap on gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on the now visible microphone. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!